Okay, here's our last single filer tax return. If you go on to slide 7 of the assignment, it shows we're going to be doing taxes for Brenda Garcia. By the way, right up here in the Google slides options, there's a little zoom thing. So if you need to be closer, there you go. So here we go. She works for Glendale Medical Office. Brenda Garcia lives at 900 North Pacific Avenue in Glendale, 91203. Income is $87,590. So we're going to go single Brenda Garcia and put the social security number. Social security number is at the top here under employees social security number, not the employer ID number. That's your works PIN. So this one right here, 502688709. 502688709. Let's go see if I remembered it. 502688709. Okay. And then home address is that 901 North Pacific, 900 North Pacific. Don't put the Glendale Medical Office address on accident. We want Brenda's home address, 900 North Pacific Avenue. No apartment number. And the zip code is 91203. No foreign country, no Bitcoin or digital assets. No one can claim you as a dependent. You were not born before that date. You are not blind and you have no dependents. So again, a whole bunch of blanks up here. No spouse yet. Yet, I say. We're doing that later. Okay, now we go to line 1, box 1. And so box 1 wages are $87,590. And again, which way did you like it? When we did Erin Hills, we just left them all blank, meaning 0. When we did Bear Oski, we put zeros in. You can do it now, your preference. You don't have to put anything though. But adding those all up with the zeros, adding these all up with the zeros, and then adding these up, 87,590. So notice that we're doing the same 4 lines that we did last time. The standard deduction is still $12,950. Doesn't change. It's the same on every tax return for the year 2022. And then line 14 is when we add those two together. So we get that. Okay, grab your calculators and subtract. So even if you make more money, it doesn't matter. You still have the same standard deduction everybody does. So 87,590 minus 12,950 is 74,640. Wow, this is the biggest number we've looked up on the tax table yet. So go click on that tax table, scroll all the way down to 74. Oops, I went too far again. If you're wondering what happens on this chart here, by the way, since I went so far, do you see how if you go over 100,000 or over, use the tax computation worksheet? That's what's in the tax notes on how to do the tax computation worksheet. So if you go over 100,000, it's no longer in a table. You use that worksheet. Okay, here we are at 74,000. 74,640. So I still am in the single column and I'm looking in my row at 12,035. When do we use these other columns? When you get to the other titles like married filing jointly, which we'll be doing next. So here we go. 12,035 was the tax amount that I found from the tax table. 0, 0, 0, 0. Do you prefer to put in those zeros? Go for it. And then 12,035 goes here again. 12,035. So let's see if we think we're going to be getting a refund. Oh, sorry, I forgot one right here. By the way, there's no memorization needed here. You literally just read each line and the directions that we're going. Add lines 16 and 17. It's easy to add 0 to everything. When are we going to do child tax credit? That's if you have a child. Not yet. Okay, Form W-2, federal income tax withheld. This time $12,840 and 69 cents. $12,840 and 69 cents was withheld. Are you seeing what I see? It means we're going to get a refund. They kept more back than what I was supposed to pay. So 12,840.69 is a bigger number than 12,035. So it says right here on line 34 in the refund box, if line 33 is more than 24, subtract that, and this is going to be our refund amount. So we're back in the refund column for this tax return. Yay. And it's a smaller refund. It's $805.69. That comes from subtracting line 24 from line 33. When it's a refund, I fill it in both here and here. I want the whole amount refunded to me. And then I put in my fake routing number and bank account. And I'm going to have this direct deposited into my checking account. What if you don't fill this in? They mail you a check and it takes forever, but you can do it that way. And what do we think this person did if they work at Glendale Medical Office? Glendale Medical Office. I don't know. Do you think they're a nurse or something like that? Honestly, as a nurse, as a new grad, you're going to make way more money than $87,000. But that's okay. Sign and date your return, and then it is valid, and you are done. Yay for refunds.